Hi, today we'll have a look at how to use the Account Payable Management template. We'll start by hiding the top ribbon to have more space. Perfect. First, let's go into the Suppliers Registration page. This is where we list all suppliers. Let's add a new one we'll call Cycle & Co. Perfect. Moving on to the Accounts Payable section. As you can see, this is where we list all invoices due to our suppliers previously listed. Let's add a new record together. We'll first input an invoice number, say 242, a date, indicate the order was for bikes, pull our newly created supplier from the list, set a due date, an invoice amount, and we'll leave the date paid and amount paid blank, as we've not made payment yet. The open balance and status column auto-update. Perfect, let's analyze. First, let's go back to the top of the report and update reports. Perfect. We'll start by the dashboard and report landing page. This is an overview of the main metrics. On the right-hand side are a list of filters that allow you to drill down to a specific supplier, or a group of suppliers, or a specific time period. Let's move on to the first submenu, the Indicator History section. It shows the main metrics for a specific year and by month. Let's select 2020, for example. We can first see the total spent per month, the number of invoices received, the average payable days, the number of invoices paid late, the percent of invoices paid late, and the remaining payable. Moving on to the Turnover Age section. It shows the percentage of invoices based on the time it took to pay from the date they were received. As you can see here, 81% of invoices were paid within 30 days of reception. Let's go to the summary by supplier. This is a report summarizing the number of invoices, total invoiced amount, amount paid, amount remaining, outstanding, and the average payable date. All of this broken down per supplier. Next, the invoice list. It shows a detailed invoice report that can be filtered by invoice status, open, overdue, paid, etc. Finally, the last submenu, the overdue invoices. This is a report that shows only outstanding invoices and groups them by supplier. The last section of this template is the Kanban board. It is broken down into two sections. Let's look into the board first. First thing to do is to update the Kanban report. Perfect. It displays invoices by status: open, next to due date today, overdue, and paid. You can choose to filter by supplier, or a specific time period. Let's go to the overdue invoice board. Here too, we need to hit the Update Kanban button to ensure the latest data is shown. These are only overdue invoices grouped by number of days outstanding. Under 30 days, under 60, under 90, and over 90 days. Similarly to the previous Kanban board, you can filter by supplier, by time period. And that's it. You know everything you need to know about our accounts payable management template, and you're ready to start using it. Enjoy!